so scary.
Look at that. Dude, it's spinning too.
Our neighbor's outside.
Everyone's outside. You should see the sky. Look at this thing. Having a beer. Look at that. Look, they're taking pictures. God, I wish you could see this. Faintly. Is that like a potential start of a tornado?
Oh yeah, definitely. Look at everybody outside.
Man, that could tear it up.
Dude, Scott, look at it spinning right above us. Look at that. Look. You see it spinning?
Yeah.
That is scary.
Look at her hail. Great new roof.
Look, Scott.
There goes the deductible. Look at the tornado signs. That is so cool. Here's our tornado sign.
Dude, look at that. I'm not serious. I mean,
It's all moving away from us.
yeah, but look at that spinning right there, Scott.
Yeah.
That is a funnel cloud. Big time. Keep it on it so they can see it spinning.
Mom and Dad, you guys should have stayed.
Look at everybody. And everybody says go inside and everybody comes out.
Let's check on this guy. It is getting...
Everybody with their cameras. I'm not kidding. Our whole neighborhood's out.
They got the
This is
children
how
out here.
Scott, don't film them. It is scary right up. See that? You always wanted to see what it looked like? That's it. And you're not pointing it at it. There you go, now you are.
It's hard because of the sunshine behind it.
Listen to the tornado signs.
Look, it's like blue sky above it.
I know.
Dude, that...
Scott, look. It is spinning. It is spinning down. Look at all those.
Wow, that is intense.
Roof, snow, and wind. There's a tornado on roof, snow. And I can't hurt. I didn't
That's got to be over there.
Yeah.
Roof snow doesn't hit roof snow. Oh, it's pale.
Between roof, snow, and
Oh.
nice
Hey.
to get to know everybody outside on this wonderful day. Yeah.
It's actually going away from us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, the whole area
Wow, look at that updraft.
Look at everyone outside. Everybody.
That is nuts. Look at this, man. Look how fast this thing's moving.
Scott, they could see.
Nuh-uh.
You hear that?
The sirens?
No, that's not siren.
Look at the updraft clouds.
Should we go meet our neighbors? Do I look really bad, by the way? Do I really, Scott? My makeup's all messed up, I know, right?
Yeah, but you don't look real bad. I mean, everyone's in their pajamas.